Yo, what is up, you guys? JG Player here. Welcome back to another sick video where today I'm gonna give you guys a tutorial. Do you feel like your headphones aren't loud or earbuds? Do you feel like you want to make them louder? Do you feel like you want them good quality? Well, don't you dare throw them away. I'm gonna show you how to make them louder so you could hear your music good. First step, go to the Play Store and search for this app, Volume Booster, or Booster, whatever. You go here, you search for Volume Booster. So yeah, no, I've been a little sick. Volume Booster. So then you keep on going down, and you find this one, Headphone Loud Volume Booster. And yeah, so then you install it, and I recommend you open the app. First you open the app, and it looks like this. It's off. I recommend you to put it that much. It'll be loud. If you put it all the way, it'll be very loud, and it'll sound bad. And then you go to that. Then you go to that. Then you turn it on. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you think this tutorial helped you, hope you subscribe. And if you're new, subscribe and like the video. Turn on notifications as well. See you in the next one. Bye.